Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Study with Radhika. In this video, we are going to learn how to draw a shape in Scratch programming. So let's begin. Let's start with square figure. First, go to New Sprite button and change the sprite. Go to Things, select any sprite. Suppose I selected pencil, click on OK. The sprite will appear on the stage. The cat is unnecessary here, so delete this cat by clicking on delete button and cat delete. Now if you want to change the background, go to the new background library, select any background. Suppose I selected this, click on OK. Now here background and sprites get changed, so start scripting in the scripting area. Go to the event block, drag when click, go to pen block, drag pen up, clear block. Then if you want to set the size of pen, means you want to increase the size of the pen, so go to the set pen size by suppose 5. Then after, if you want to change the color of pen, go to the change pen color by, you can type color codes. Suppose I type 15. Then go to the motion and drag, go to X and Y coordinates. It will set your position on the stage. Now point to the direction in 90 degree. Then go to the pen block, pen down. Go to the control block and drag the repeat block. In this again go to motion block, move step, how much steps you want that you have to type here. Suppose I type 150 and then turn to anti-clockwise direction in 90 degree. 90 degree is here because square has 90 degree angle, and repeat 4 times because square has 4 direction and 4 sides. After completing the script, go to the flag button and click it to execute the project, and output is here on the stage. Now next shape is rectangle. For rectangle also some blocks are remain unchanged, so let's start with rectangle script. First here go to event, when click, go to pen block and clear. It will clear the stage. Now for rectangle, go to event, drag when click, and drag pen up, clear block, set pen color. If you want to change the color, you can change. Suppose I type 2, change pen size, take 6, then set the position of the sprite with 0, 0, point to the direction 90 degree. Then go to pen down, then go to the control block, repeat block, drag here, repeat 2 times because in rectangle opposite sides are same. Then go to the motion block, drag move 100 steps or take 200 steps, turn to the direction 90 degree because rectangle has 90 degree angle. And again take one more control repeat block here 1 time only now. Then go to the motion block, move, type here 100 steps because two sides of the rectangle has half of other side, and then drag turn to 90 degree, and here our rectangle script is ready. Go to the flag button and execute the rectangle script. Output is here on the page. Now our next figure is triangle. So to draw the triangle, again clear the stage by clicking this. Now go to the event block, drag when click, then again go to pen block, pen up, clear, set pen size by suppose 4, set pen color, then go to motion block and set the position of the sprite 0, 0, then point in the direction of 90 degree, then pen down, then go to control block, take repeat block here and repeat it for 3 times because triangle has 3 sides. Then go to the motion block, move 100 steps and turn in the direction 120 degree. Here we are drawing an equilateral triangle, so all the 3 angles must be same. So when we will take 120 degree, so it will add 120, 120, 120 equal to 360 because closed figure is of 360 degree. And here our triangle script is done. Go to the flag button and execute. Here our triangle figure is appear. Now the next figure is pentagon. To draw the pentagon, our script must be same as a square and rectangle, only you have to change the turning angles and repeat how many times you want to repeat. So to draw a pentagon, first repeat 5 times. Steps you can change any whatever you want, and angle must be of 72 degree. And now script is ready. You click on flag to execute and pentagon is ready here. Like this you can draw hexagon, octagon and more shapes. Our next figure is hexagon. To draw the hexagon, you have to change the repeat command. You have to take here 6 because hexagon has 6 sides, and change the angle. Hexagon has an angle of 60 degree, so take 60. And now it's ready to execute. Go to green flag and click. Hexagon is ready here with 6 sides. If you want to change the color, you can go to the set pen color and change the color. If you want to change the size, you can change the size by going to set pen size to how much you want. So in the next video, we will learn how to draw a spinning shapes. Till that, you practice all these figures by changing the pen color, pen size, and if you want to try different figures, that also you can try. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.